The design for the petals for the flowers of the Cabrigal and obviously Gandangara, it's derived from my background and the strength and the connection I have with my culture, but also my grandmother. Encompassing that, I had to make sure that it was from the ground up, from the munda, from the roots, into the dreamtime. And this is what the colour scene behind you here is. That's about the dirt going in from the browns into the greens, and then going into the white and the clouds, and then into the dreamtime, into the blue. So it's about coming here, feeling peace and harmony. And I think those colours reflect that. So growing up in Liverpool, it's been such a wonderful journey because I had my first child here. And so it's ironic how her name, Coutura, means perfume of a flower. So the design really encompasses community engagement and involvement, and that circle motion within the petals is about communities coming together in this space.
Bibi grew up here and they knew her as another name. So once we told the story and then the concept, then we got feedback from the men's group and the women's group that they loved the layers of connection in the design. No one wanted to actually change it. They just wanted people to know why it was important to them and why they felt connected to this design.
When I first saw Bibi's concept proposal for this work, I was just enamoured. I think everybody across the project team, from Fitzpatrick Partners, the architects, John Staff, ADCO, Health Infrastructure and the Health District, was so excited about what this artwork was going to do to elevate the mundanity of an everyday car park to an uplifting place of wow. Southwest Sydney Local Health District, and in particular the Liverpool Hospital, have a really long history of celebrating local culture. Importantly, this artwork demonstrates the value of that cultural identity to the health service, in this being the largest ever art commission in New South Wales health history. There are so many reasons art has a positive impact on our healthcare experience. As we see today, cultural safety, particularly for our Aboriginal communities, is incredibly important, that when they arrive to a healthcare service, that they feel like it's somewhere that they belong and that reflects their cultural identity.